Christmas is a time for sharing delicious food with loved ones. It's a season where the kitchen becomes the heart of the home, filled with the sounds of laughter and the clinking of glasses, the aroma of a roasting turkey, the warm glow of the oven, and the anticipation of a festive feast create cherished memories. Whether you're planning a traditional Christmas lunch or require allergy-friendly options, there's something for everyone to enjoy. From savoury roasts to decadent desserts, the variety is endless. Imagine the joy of slicing into a rich Christmas pudding. Let's explore a delectable array of dishes that will make your Christmas table truly special. Remember, the most important ingredient is the love and laughter shared around the table. No Christmas table is complete without a magnificent roast turkey, the star of the festive feast. The crispy skin and juicy meat are a testament to culinary expertise, a true delight for the senses. Serve this alongside flavorful stuffing made with herbs, sausage meat, and chestnuts, adding a rich and hearty touch to the meal. Pigs in blankets, those irresistible sausages wrapped in bacon, add a touch of indulgence, making every bite a savoury delight. And of course, no Christmas feast is complete without Yorkshire puddings. Their puffy golden exterior giving way to a soft airy centre, perfect for soaking up all the delicious gravy. For those with dietary restrictions, fear not. Christmas can still be a time of joy and delicious feasting. Christmas can still be just as delicious, even with a few thoughtful adjustments to the menu. Opt for a succulent roast chicken or a flavorful tofu roast as the centerpiece. Both options can be seasoned to perfection, ensuring everyone at the table is satisfied. Create a gluten-free stuffing using gluten-free bread or a rice-based alternative. This way, everyone can enjoy the classic Christmas flavors without worry. Swap out traditional mashed potatoes with creamy dairy-free mashed sweet potatoes. They are just as comforting and delicious, perfect for any festive meal. And for a rich and flavorful gravy, use a vegetable stock base and thicken with corn flour instead of flour and butter. This ensures a smooth, luscious gravy that everyone can enjoy. Festive drinks to pair. Complete your Christmas feast with warming and festive drinks. A mug of mulled wine, spiced with cinnamon, cloves and orange, will warm you from the inside out. For a non-alcoholic option, a cranberry spritzer is a refreshing choice. Remember to have plenty of water on hand to keep everyone hydrated. With these traditional and allergy-friendly options, you can create a Christmas meal that caters to everyone. Merry Christmas!